Good morning, students. As the topic is written, we will discuss today about sorting techniques. As we know, we are having two sorting techniques in our syllabus as bubble sort and insertion sort. Today we will discuss bubble sort technique. The bubble sort technique is working upon the swapping method. We can place the elements of a list in any order, either in ascending order or in descending order, by using the bubble sorting techniques. As I told you, this technique works upon the swapping method. Now, I will give you an example to sort the elements of a list by using this bubble sort technique in ascending order. My suggestion is to open the code which is written in the end of the data structure chapter in your copies. Dear students, suppose we have taken a list as 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, which is not in order. We are going to sort this list by using bubble sort technique. Look at the code written. There are two loops written. The outer loop is used to rotate the number of times the total number of elements available in the list. And the inner loop is used to sort the elements. Sort the elements by using that swapping method. As the condition written, if AR of j is greater than j plus 1, then j and j plus 1 are swapped with j plus 1 and j. In the first rotation of outer loop, as the list elements are given, the technique is when we are going to place the elements of the list in ascending order, the method is the greatest element will be shifted into the last. So that finally the smallest element will be at the top of the list. Look at here how the swapping technique is working with bubble sort. Look at these first two elements. In the first rotation of outer loop, how the inner loop is working, I am showing to you. Inner loop is checking the condition j is greater than j plus 1. If the condition is true, it will be swapped, otherwise no. In this case, the condition is false. So the list becomes as it is. In the next rotation of inner loop, 3 will be checked with 5. Is it greater? No. Again, the process will be same. The list remains as it is. Now in the third rotation of inner loop, 5 is greater than 1. Is the condition true? Yes, it is true. So the elements will be swapped. 1 and 5 will be swapped. In the last rotation of inner loop, 5 is greater than 4. The condition is true again. So it will be swapped as 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Look at this element here. The greatest element of the list is placed at the end of it. This is the process by which bubble sort technique is working with the swapping method. What we have done? We have swapped the greatest element of the list in the end. In the second rotation of the loop, of outer loop, we have the list now 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. The condition which is placed in inner loop, that is len minus I minus 1. This condition will catch the greatest element at the end. Means in the further rotation of the inner loop, the greatest element which is already placed will not be checked by the condition because it is placed at its place. In the second rotation of outer loop, again the same process will be applied. 2 is greater than 3. The condition is false. The list will be as it is. As the 5 is the greatest element which is kept. 3 is greater than 1. Condition is true. Will be swapped. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 which is kept. In the next rotation, 3 is greater than 4. No. Condition is false. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now, look at the element. The next greatest element is placed at the end of the list. So by the same process, in third rotation, we have the list 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. In this rotation, the same process will be applied. 2 is greater than 1. Yes, condition is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the list. The list is placed in ascending order by using swapping techniques. But the rotations are not completed till now. So we can say the rest, all the rotations will show the same list. So the list is sorted in ascending order by using bubble sort method. Dear students, the points are the bubble sort method is working upon the swapping technique. In this method, when we are going to sort the array in ascending order, array means list. In ascending order, the process is to place the greatest element in the end of the list. If it is in descending order, so the smallest element will be sent to the end of the list. How? We have to change the sign of the condition. The condition was if AR of J is greater than AR of J plus 1. We are checking the greatest one. What does it mean? It means we are sorting the list in ascending order so that the greatest element is shifted up to the end. But if we are going to place the elements of the list in ascending order, so that we have to change the sign. You have to change it as smaller than, lesser than, so that a smaller element, smallest element from the list will be shifted to the end of the list. So this is the bubble sort technique. Revise it, remember it, because this algorithm of technique is very important. Thank you. We will discuss the insertion sort technique in the next video. Thank you.